Alright, class. Who wants to answer the question on the board? Come on, guys. I need participation for this class. Yo, shut your mouth, Mr. Hay. Hey, shut your mouth. Yo, shut your bitch ass up, Jay. Ooh. Sorry for the outburst, guys, but Jay, since you want to be the star of the show, I've got a special equation for you. What if we take your ugly ass, and multiply that by your non-existent Riz? You go crazy, you go crazy, you go crazy. What would we get, Jay? What would we get? 0 bitches!
Damn! Bro, you gonna let that slide? Nah, no way you can let that fucking slide, bro. Ain't no way.
And that equation holds to be true. Look at you. I ain't never seen you with a hole in my life. Yo, Mr. Hay, ain't you 40 with no girl? Don't say shit to me.
Damn!
Yo, I know you not talking, yo. Didn't your father leave when he was 4? When the fuck he coming back?
Oh, nah,
when the fuck he coming back?
Bro, you gotta go, bro.
Don't call my mom! That's she even answer. She probably get raw dogged by some random dude on the street. Don't call her right now! Hell no! I want the smoke. Hell no! I want the